Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Christmas is the perfect time to make something beautiful with your own handmade. So these crochet crafts are simple, creative and full of Christmas charm. Every little stitch makes decoration feel more special. Handmade decoration can bring a warm and cozy feeling to any home. I really love how can turn simple yarn into something so beautiful. A few colorful threads can become a lovely Christmas ornament, a cute little tree, or a beautiful decoration. The best part is that every handmade piece has its own special. Christmas crochet crafts are not only beautiful, but they are also a wonderful way to enjoy a peaceful creative time. When you sit down with your yarn and crochet hook, you can forget about the busy day for a while. It feels relaxing to create something slowly with your own hands. Look at this adorable Christmas crochet idea. The colors, little details, and soft texture make them look so festive. Red, green, white, and golden shades can instantly give your crafts a beautiful Christmas look. These small details can make your home feel extra special. One of my favorite things about handmade Christmas decoration is that they feel personal. You can choose your favorite colors, patterns, and designs. You can make each piece in your own style. That is what makes handmade crafts so beautiful and meaningful. Crochet crafts Christmas ornaments can look wonderful on a Christmas tree. You can make stars, snowflakes, little trees, bells, hearts, and many other cute shapes. Even a small crochet ornaments can add a warm handmade touch to your Christmas decoration. And these crochet crafts can also be a lovely way to decorate a table, shelves, bedroom, or a small corner of your home. You don't always need a lot of decorations. Sometimes a few handmade pieces are enough to create a beautiful, festive atmosphere. There is something very special about handmade Christmas craft. They may not be perfect, and that is completely okay. Every little stitch shows time, creativity, and love. Handmade things have a different beauty because they are made with passion. If you enjoy creative hobbies, crochet can be a wonderful activity during the Christmas season. You can sit comfortably, choose your favorite yarn, and slowly create something beautiful. It is a simple hobby that can make your free time feel more enjoyable. These little crochet Christmas trees are such a cute idea. They can be used as decorations around the house or even as a small handmade gifts. Their simple design makes them charming and you can decorate them with your own creative ideas. Christmas is all about warmth, happiness, family, and beautiful memories. Handmade crafts can become part of those memories. Imagine making decorations with your family and then seeing them around your home during Christmas, and those little handmade pieces can feel very special. Crochet snowflakes are another beautiful idea for Christmas. Their delicate design can look lovely on a tree, wall, window, or gift package. White yarn gives them a soft winter feeling, while adding a little sparkle can make them look even more festive. I love how something as simple as yarn can become a beautiful Christmas decoration. It shows that creativity does not always need expensive materials. With some patience and imagination, simple supplies can become something wonderful. These crochet ornaments can also make lovely handmade gifts. A small handmade decoration can be a sweet present for a friend or family member. It is not about how expensive the gift is, it is about the time and thought behind it. Another beautiful thing about crochet is that you can create decoration in different sizes. You can make tiny ornaments for the tree or large pieces for your home. You can experiment with colors and patterns until you find a style that you really love. Christmas crafts can make an ordinary room feel much more festive. A few crochet decoration plays around the room can add softness and warmth. Handmade details can make your space feel comfortable, welcoming, and ready for the holiday season.